To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to open your Samsung Galaxy tablet. Set aside the back cover. Remove the tape from the battery connector. Gently lift the connector latch and disconnect the original battery as shown. Peel back the adhesive on the battery and lift out. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your Samsung. Connect your new battery and close the connector latch. Replace the tape onto the battery connector. Replace the back cover and snap into place as shown. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy tab with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your tablet should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.